Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of previous 1 hour 2 hour of Chainlink cryptocurrencies price prediction. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button now and complete my 2k subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's see the live price prediction of Chainlink cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. What's going on in the crypto market of Chainlink? As you can see here, the change is in positive 0.95% change in the Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. So it's a very good news for all Chainlink holders. As you can see here, the price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies in the crypto market is a very high. As you can see here, $27.448 is the high price of Chainlink cryptocurrencies, and that is the live price prediction of previous 1 hour you are watching now. So as we can see the graph of the channel cryptocurrency, so it's continuously upward, going upward. As you can see here, it's a jumping time of channel cryptocurrencies. So it is clear to buy channel cryptocurrencies and make a good profit by channel cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. Now and let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's going in the previous 2 hour? It's loading. So oh my god, as you can see here, the previous 2 hour result is also good. As you can see here, the change is a positive 0.23% change in the previous 2 hour, and the high price is $27.48 is the high price in the previous 2 hour. That is the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. As you can see here, in the previous 2 hour, at the end of first hour they are falling down, but at this time it's a good news for all Chainlink holder, and they are jumping upward. So it's the best time to buy a Chainlink cryptocurrencies and make a good profit by Chainlink crypto in a cryptocurrencies market. So please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrencies market.